Hello everyone, you all know VCI elections are coming and VCI e-voting is going to take place. For VCI e-voting, please verify your profile while confirming your eligibility for voting. So mention website in the description will provide the access for online voting update and also for verification of your profile successfully. Simple procedural steps are as follows. First step. Go to the website vcievoting.dadf.gov.in, which is mentioned in description also. Now you will be at login page and go to search your username. Second step, select the state you belong. Then type your name as in your veterinary council certificate, or you can search by state veterinary council registration number. Third step, your login ID will come in red letters, that is your username. Kindly note it, or copy red lettered username and paste in the login column at the site of username. Fourth step, then click on forget password. Fifth step, after click on forget password, this window will be appear. Sixth step, after filling username and captcha, we will click on send OTP. Seventh step, we will get OTP on registered mobile number. We will fill this OTP column with OTP and click on submit. Eighth step, after submitting the OTP, the system generate our password and send on our registered mobile number, and this window can be seen on our system. In this window, we will click on the word written in black letters in between blue letters. Ninth step, then system will go again on login window. Here we will enter the username, password and captcha and will click on submit button. 10th step, after submitting your username, password and captcha, this window will be seen. There are two options in red color, view profile and verify your details. We will click on verify your details. 11th step, after clicking on verify your details, this window will be seen. We can check or edit our details here, and after finalizing our details, we click on verify button in blue color. 12th step, your details are verified by you. Note, email ID is compulsory to fill in your detail and your name should be correct. If system is showing your name combined with your father's name, then you should correct it. Only fill your correct name in name column and father's name in father's name column. Then you are logged out after verifying.
आप सभी वेटनेरियन भाइयों और बहनों को डॉक्टर विजय कासनिया सीरियल नंबर 86 आज़ाद उम्मीदवार VCI चुनाव 2020 की ओर से नमस्कार। आप सभी को विनम्र निवेदन करता हूं कि 20, 21, 22 अगस्त 2020 को VCI चुनाव के लिए ऑनलाइन वोटिंग होगी। इसके लिए एक वोटर 11 उम्मीदवारों को वोट कर सकता है। अतः इसके लिए वेटनरी प्रोफेशन को बचाने के लिए व उसके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए आज़ादी के साथ डॉक्टर विजय कासनिया सीरियल नंबर 86 को वोट करें। जय हिंद।